This is everything your 2021 Escalade Key Fob can do, presented by Frank Kent Motor Company. To begin, the mechanical key inside the remote key can be used for all locks. To remove the mechanical key, press the button near the bottom of the remote key and pull the mechanical key out. Press the lock to lock all doors. This also arms the vehicle alarm system. If equipped with auto mirror folding, pressing and holding for 1 second will fold the mirrors, if enabled. Press the unlock once to unlock the driver door and the fuel door. If it is pressed again within 3 seconds, all remaining doors unlock. The interior lamps may come on and stay on for 20 seconds or until the ignition is turned on. Pressing unlock will disable the alarm system. If equipped with auto mirror folding, pressing and holding unlock for 1 second will unfold the mirrors if enabled. If equipped with the remote window open feature, press and hold unlock on the remote key for about 3 seconds to open all windows. If equipped with the remote window close feature, press and hold for about 3 seconds to close all windows. The vehicle must be off and the remote window operation feature must be enabled. Press twice to open or close the liftgate. Press once to stop the liftgate from moving. Press twice to open the lift glass. With the alarm button, press and release to initiate vehicle locate. The turn signal lamps flash and the horn sounds 3 times. Press and hold the alarm for more than 3 seconds to activate the panic alarm. The turn signal lamps flash and the horn sounds repeatedly for 30 seconds. The alarm turns off when the ignition is turned on or is pressed again. The ignition must be off for the panic alarm to work. And now, you are an expert on your 2021 Cadillac Escalade Key Fob. Enjoy the ride and please, drive safe.